The AT&T Activation Server Unavailable error occurs when you're trying to activate a new device, SIM card, or service through My AT&T, the website, or automated systems. It means the activation server is currently unable to process your request. This is often due to high traffic, server maintenance, or technical issues on AT&T's end. Don't worry, this video will help you understand why this happens and how to fix it. AT&T has significantly improved its activation servers since 2024. They've reduced activation failures by 40% by implementing an AI-powered load balancing system to handle high demand, especially during device launches. While isolated incidents still occur, like the one in the Northeast in February 2026, the overall error rate is down. AT&T has invested heavily in upgrading their system to handle more requests, moving towards a hybrid cloud edge architecture. The core issue behind the AT&T Activation Server Unavailable error is server overload. During peak times, like when a new phone is released, the activation server gets overwhelmed with a high volume of requests from users trying to activate devices simultaneously. This overload leads to timeouts, where the system gives up after waiting too long for a response, typically after 30 to 60 seconds. The connection times out, and the activation fails. Retrying repeatedly can actually make things worse, creating a cycle that amplifies the problem, similar to a distributed denial of service or DDoS attack. Each retry adds more load to the already overwhelmed server. Activations rely on secure protocols for authentication, and any issue with these protocols or the backend databases can also trigger the error. Problems in the SSL handshake or database connectivity lead to activation failures. When you encounter the AT&T Activation Server Unavailable error, start by waiting 1 to 2 minutes before trying again. AT&T recommends this because repeated attempts can overload the servers further. If the issue persists, try activating through the My AT&T app or website. These platforms often have better error handling and may route your request differently. If those methods don't work, consider visiting an AT&T store for in-person activation, or use the SIM Toolkit app, which can bypass the overloaded online servers. Finally, always check AT&T's website or app for any reported outages or maintenance that might be causing the issue. The telecom industry is evolving towards more decentralized and AI-driven activation systems to address past challenges. Decentralized systems distribute activation processes across multiple servers, reducing single points of failure and improving overall reliability. AT&T is piloting zero-touch activations using machine learning to predict and allocate resources dynamically, achieving a 30% efficiency gain in beta tests. Edge computing brings activation processes closer to users, minimizing delays and reducing reliance on overburdened central servers. By 2030, the rise of 6G networks will make activations even more seamless, with experts predicting a 60% decline in activation errors. While cyber threats may introduce new vulnerabilities, advancements like blockchain-based authentication and integration with IoT ecosystems will help create a more secure and efficient future for activations. A major example of this error in action occurred during the iPhone 16 launch in September 2024. AT&T's activation servers were overwhelmed by the massive demand for new device activations. Over 10 million customers attempted to activate their new iPhones simultaneously, creating an unprecedented load on AT&T's systems. The servers crashed under this immense pressure, resulting in a 12-hour outage that prevented thousands of users from activating their devices. The root cause was partly due to unoptimized API calls from third-party apps, which inefficiently requested activation data and further strained the servers. This event highlighted the critical need for better infrastructure and ultimately spurred AT&T to invest in an AI-powered overhaul of their activation system, improving reliability for future launches. Experts believe that improving activation systems is key for the future of telecommunications, but it requires more than just AT&T to enhance their infrastructure. Gartner analyst Caroline Chappell emphasizes that AI integration is essential to anticipate load spikes and reduce downtime significantly. Telecom experts like Rajesh Gupta from Ovum highlight that predictive analytics will play a major role in future activation services. However, they also note that cyber risks remain a significant challenge moving forward. Looking at statistics, AT&T reported 1.2 million server unavailable incidents in 2024, a 35% reduction from 2023. Keep an eye on AT&T's official status page or app notifications for real-time updates on activation server status. Remember the troubleshooting steps we discussed. Retry with delays, use alternative activation methods, and consider visiting an AT&T store if needed. Also consider trying calling in or finding an online support thread that deals with AT&T activations. By understanding the underlying causes and potential solutions, you can navigate these activation issues with greater confidence.